Manaskai mandisibulisele kuni ngale njikalanga kukho into engakhange khe ndifundise ngayo kakhulu apha ebalulekileyo apha ebomini bethu, especially nakubantwana bethu. Like lamalanga I'm so focused on teaching my kids about spiritual things and how they must use them as a shield and a weapon for the bona empilweni nje. Guys, you know that we have what we call five senses, like the sight, the hearing, the what zonke, the touch, the smell, or the taste and each. But how do we use them spiritually? So as sisebenzisa njani spiritually? How do you get to use these senses as unazo emhlabeni spiritually, using a spiritual lens or spiritual sense of them? Number one, there's your intuition, the sense that no one talks about. Your intuition is one of your senses, and what it does, it always tells you when something is happening around you. I want to make an example, guys. Lately, I have been surrounded by accidents. Even my kids, they've been like seeing accidents. I went to work and then they see an accident, and I see an accident around me, and I ask myself, why could an accident around me? It's definitely my intuition telling me ikhona nje into ekhoyo yomoya ene accident phakathi. I almost got hit by a car on Saturday last week. My little one almost got hit by a car today. My older son almost saw an accident while at work. He had a dream about an accident. So there's got to be something that we are being told by intuition here to song, but there's something going on nge accident. And then as a spiritual person and someone that I understand by ikhona nje into ebotshiweyo that has to do with it accident, I also know that nalapha kunu khona umntu that's going to vouch for me about what I'm saying right now. So this is when you are listening to your intuition, and also you're hearing, you must hear what you can't see. Mntasekhaya funa kuyimamele into ongayiboniyo, even though ngathi hayi ngathi uyayibaxa or kanjani. Listen to this sense yokumamela mntasekhaya, and use your spiritual lens. Ubone ngamehlo la akho enyama, ubone nangomoya owasebenzise momabini. They are going to show you what is happening. And now you need to detect it threats around you by just smelling. Use your senses in that way, and you also gonna listen to your body when you talk about touch a sense where you listen the shivers, the coldness, the funny part that